Happy New Year everyone, I'm Jools from Handyman Homes. As we kick off 2026, I wanted to take a minute, step away from the tool bag and speak directly to you, our incredible customers and community. 2025 was quite frankly a whirlwind. When we started Handyman Homes, we wanted to be a reliable helping hand that Cape Townian homeowners and businesses could count on. But looking back at the data from the past year, you guys blew our expectations out of the water. I did the math with the team recently and had to double check the numbers. Last year, Handyman Homes completed over 4,000 jobs. 4,000 times you invited us into your home, your private space, your lounges, your kitchens, bathrooms, even bedrooms, your home and your office. We've hung hundreds of gallery walls and precious pieces of art. We've mounted TVs just in time for the big game, and we've probably conquered every single type of flat pack furniture known to man. Every one of these jobs represents a home made a little bit more comfortable, an office a little bit more functional. For that trust, we are incredibly grateful. The reason we do this, the reason we're so passionate about what we do at Handyman Homes, is because we know how stressful a to-do list can be. We know that loose hinge, or that box in the corner can weigh on you. Our goal isn't just to fix things, it's to give you back your weekends. Seeing the relief on a client's face when a TV is finally on the wall, that's what keeps our team going through those 4,000 appointments. So what's next? We're not slowing down in 2026. We're looking to make our service even faster and even more seamless. We're expanding our tips and tricks here on YouTube to help you maintain your home. And of course, our booking system at handymanhomes.co.za is ready and waiting for you and your New Year's projects. If you've got a project, if you've been putting it off, let this be a sign to get it done. Let's make 2026 the year your home finally feels finished. Once again, from the entire team at Handyman Homes, thank you for an incredible year. We wish you a prosperous and happy and maintenance-free new year. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for all our home improvement tips and head over to our website to book your first job of the year. I'm Jools and I'll see you at the next house. Thank you.